opening my new kitchen island that I ordered from Amazon. Now I'm going to try to put it together This is how it's supposed to look when I'm done. I'm putting the drawer together. Guys, this thing has so many screws. It is so difficult. But I'm going to try to do it on my own. Now the drawer is put together. Now I'm going to put the hinges on the drawer for it to slide in. Now this is one of the side pieces for the seasoning rack. Now, this is the two side pieces of the rack. The big pieces of the rack. Trying to put all the screws in there. This is the other side of the this thing is so beautiful. Excuse me. When you look at it on Amazon, but all the screws and pieces that you have to do, it's so time consuming. And I think I have it all wrong because the drawers won't go in. I think I got some stuff backwards. So I have to do this, find out how to do those drawers right. And I got to turn some stuff, take some stuff off. So it's like 6 o'clock in the morning, and I'm up trying to do it right. So I'm going to take it apart and try it again. Okay guys, now I fixed the brackets. I looked on YouTube and I fixed the brackets on the drawer because there's a left and a right. This is flimsy, so I'm going to put some nails in it. It didn't say that you're supposed to, but this is how it looks. So, but my drawer, it goes right in now, but you have a space here. So I put 2 nails in there. one here. This is hard, guys. And one here to keep this from falling out and stays flat. So I have to take the screws out because I have it on backwards. Once I get the screws out, I'll be back. Now I'm putting the rollers on, and hopefully that I have them on right. This is a lot of work. It's 4 screws to each roller. They say not to use your drill on this thing, so you gotta do everything with the hand. This is a screwdriver. Guys, this was hell to pay. I got most of it together. It's kind of wobbly, so I'm going to have to find out why it's wobbly like that. But I finally got it together. I got the drawer where it'll fit in. I have the sides. Both sides. And I tell you, this was a job. It had 1,000 screws and it's still wobbly. So I'm going to have to try to drill some more nails. I think it's got to do with this side. Right here, this right here. So I'm waiting for my drill, because they said not to use a drill, but I know why, because the wood is like breaks really bad. I had an accident up under here. One side of it, it cracked. See? These are the doors, and now I have to try to put the hinges on there, and hopefully they fit. So let's see, let's get started. I have one door on, and it's hell to put these doors on. I gotta put the other screws in there. I got one down here and one up here. Try to. It was a lot of work. See, I'm out of breath. This is a lot of work. Now I'm putting in screws to the door. Guys, this was hard. Putting these doors on. It's like, look at this one. Man, that's crooked. So I gotta fix that and come back, guys. Okay, I have both of the doors on. Oh my God, if you can make it through building this, you can build anything. They put too many small parts, too many screws, thousands of screws. Or it's like they should have had some of this stuff put together already. It's like I was watching a guy on YouTube, and it was like it's been 8 hours, and I was following him, but it's hard to follow people, especially when you're a woman and you don't know really what goes where. So like I said, remember I had to end up, the drawer wouldn't go in, so it was a left and a right, and I didn't know that because he wasn't talking on his video. So I was just trying to follow him, to build this thing and look at the instructions. But I'm just about done. Hi guys, it's all finished. The drawers are working. I mean the drawer. Finally got the hinges right where it goes in and out. Now my towel rack on the side. The side for my seasonings. The doors are working. See inside, the shelves are there. Guys, it's a little wobbly, but my drill is charging, so I'm going to put some more screws in there, some bigger screws to make it sturdy. So, but it's all finished. Now I can be at my island doing my videos. I'm so proud of it. It's so cute. Thank you guys for liking and subscribing to my channel. This is your girl, Shorty B, and I'm